S&P 500 Index, SPX, chart analysis, a bullish outlook amidst market volatility. In the next few minutes, we will analyze the recent performance of the S&P 500 Index, SPX, and provide insights into its long-term chart analysis. Despite recent market volatility, the SPX has shown resilience and is approaching new highs. We will also discuss the impact of economic reports and market sentiment on the index's performance. Last week's performance. The S&P 500 Index, SPX, experienced a sluggish to down week, but ended on a positive note with a Friday rally sparked by a soft jobs report. For the full week, the SPX added 1.85%, indicating a week of higher highs and bringing the index within reach of new bull market highs. Conservative S&P 500 strategy. The conservative S&P 500 strategy is designed to protect investors from bear markets. It is based on long-term chart analysis and does not make changes based on emotions or news events. Short-term declines are endured and should not trigger sell signals. This strategy allows for fluctuations in the market and avoids trying to time every little up and down. Current chart analysis. After several weeks of selling, the stock market reversed higher and quickly erased most of the losses. The SPX is again nearing new highs, closing the week at 5,222.68 with a gain of 1.85%. While this decline was not a correction, it was more of a blip in the long-term uptrend. Hopes for multiple interest rate cuts from the Federal Reserve have grown, following Friday's jobs report, which has helped lift both stocks and bonds. Market sentiment and predictions. Some market experts, like Mark Spitznagel, Chief Investment Officer of Universa Investments, predict a significant market crash, comparing it to the crash of 1929. However, the conservative S&P 500 strategy remains bullish and will exit positions if the trend changes. Consumer sentiment regarding mortgage rates is gloomy, with expectations of rates approaching double digits over the next 3 years. Economic reports impact. Several economic reports have influenced market sentiment and the performance of the SPX. The Real Clear Markets/TIP Economic Optimism Index in the U.S. fell to its lowest level in 5 months, indicating a decline in economic outlook. The yield on the U.S. 10-year Treasury note also declined, as traders anticipate interest rate cuts by the Federal Reserve. Additionally, the number of people claiming unemployment benefits surged, pointing to weakness in the labor market and supporting the argument for monetary policy loosening. Conclusion. Despite recent market volatility and concerns about a potential market crash, the long-term chart analysis of the S&P 500 Index, SPX, remains bullish. The conservative S&P 500 strategy is designed to withstand short-term declines and fluctuations in the market. Economic reports and market sentiment have influenced the performance of the index, with hopes for interest rate cuts and concerns about mortgage rates. As always, investors should carefully consider their own risk tolerance and investment goals before making any decisions.
As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.